Going along very nicely. 9.99. There you go. 17.3 miles in after 4 hours 54. How you feeling, Matt?
Okay, feet are a little warm. I keep on getting this whiff of something that's rather unpleasant.
That's me.
Don't film me, don't film me. I'm really angry.
I don't know why. It's dig-in time. We've just done over 26.2.
Feeling the pain.
31 miles in, really enjoying it. Quite a lot of bad language, mostly from Matt.
Ah, really outrageous.
Oh. Yes.